Hey guys, welcome to Hungry Vacations. Today we are going to make apple pie. For the pie, first we are making short crust pastry and we need to make a dough for it. I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour and butter. I'm going to add some powdered sugar into it and a pinch of salt to enhance the taste. Mix them well. And now cut cubes of chilled butter. Mix thoroughly with your fingers. So butter has mixed well in the maida, or we can say all-purpose flour. It should have this flaky consistency like you can see. Now we'll add some iced chilled water and make a dough out of it. You need to add very less water and make a dough. Dough is ready now. We will keep it aside and cover it with a lid or a muslin cloth. Take 3 to 4 apples, peel and slice them. I have heated some butter and now I'm going to add apples. I'm using brown sugar. You can also use white if you want. Add few drops of lemon juice. Adding cinnamon powder makes apple pie delicious and aromatic. Our apple sauce is looking thick and the consistency is great. But then also I'm using some corn flour so that when the apples will go into the pie and bake into the oven, pie stays firm. Start rolling dough and make a sheet. Take the apple pie tin, keep it in the center and cut measuring a 1-inch cap. Grease the tin with butter and dust it with all-purpose flour. It will help the pie to get out of the tin easily. Place the sheet as shown. Fill apples into the pie mold. Roll the remaining dough and cut stripes. Place the dough stripes over the pie mold in a crisscross pattern. Bake apple pie in a preheated oven on 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. After pie cools down, demold it with the help of a plate. Enjoy this super yummy apple pie with your friends and family. Serve it with a scoop of ice cream and drizzle it with chocolate sauce, honey or maple syrup. Do try this simple and easy recipe at home and share your experiences in the comment section below. Link to other super easy and delicious recipes is given in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe Hungry Vacations. Thanks for watching.